No kidding. All right, I can see the road right there. I'm not sure how much farther this goes. That was fun.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
This is where this bike's right at home.
Yeah, it's like a little much on some of those.
All right. Oh, what? What the hell? Ah! I found an opening! Alright, now this is cool. Yeah, this is where the TTR feels the most at home. Woo, TTR power. Oh, almost lost my front end. Going left up here. Whew. TTR. Schooling the enduro bikes once again. No kidding. All right, I can see the road right there. I'm not sure how much farther this goes. That was fun.
Yeah, this is good stuff.
This is where this bike's right at home.
Yeah, it's like a little much on some of those.
All right. Oh, what? What the hell?
Uh-oh. Sounded like it was stiffened you. Is your clutch gone?
Maybe. No, it's dead.
You gonna kickstart on it?
Nope.
Why is that quick?
I don't know. Maybe the starter's bad or something. Or the battery's bad.
Weird noises.
Yeah, that's weird, huh? I never heard it do that before. Well, let me see if I can bump start it then. Something interesting happened. For the first time ever, I'm actually having issues with the TTR. For some reason, it won't start. It will bump start. I can get it to bump start, but I can't. Something's not right. That doesn't sound good. I felt it right now.
I heard it.
Yeah. Well, let's just get moving.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go farther down so we don't have to deal with the hills as much.
Yeah.
If it'll get me there. Oh, that does not sound good at all. Still back there? Well, the TTR is not doing so well at the moment. So we're gonna, oh, this is so terrible. We're gonna limp back to the truck. We are so far from the truck. Dang it. This bike's supposed to be bulletproof. What did I do to it? Watch your hands. Oh, there we go. I got it.
I could ride back, go grab a tow strap.
Yeah, we should have brought a tow strap. As soon as we get off of this, if we can get back onto the main road, I mean, I'm sure I could just limp there. It sounds like a freaking lawnmower. Oh man. Oh, I can't believe this is happening. No bueno, no bueno. I'm real curious to see what it is. It sounds like it's not firing all the way, but it idles fine. And as soon as I get any gas, it's just not happy at all. Come on! Oh no! Come on! Will she make it? Having fun?
Out on the dirt bike, you smell it bad.
Is it smoking bad?
So I'm wondering if you dropped a valve?
Maybe.
Or maybe your piston blew.
Like one of the rings?
Yeah. And so as you get up to the higher res, it's not holding compression.
Yeah. Yeah. It's an 05, so.
Don't turn it off.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, what Matt's saying actually makes a lot of sense right now. Oh, come on. That is the road. Dang it. Oh, this is so horrible. Well guys, I apologize. This is a boring video. But it is at least interesting. So I'll pose this question to you guys. What do I do with the TTR? I at least got to get it running again. I at least got to do that. But it's going to need a lot. I think it needs a new clutch. It needs a new whatever's broken right now. If the starter's busted, it's going to need a starter. So, what do I do? I only paid $1,400 for this bike, but I can't really sell it if it's not running. So my plan was, at the end of this debt-free journey that I'm on, I was going to get something maybe a little bit more performance-oriented, like a WR250F or a CRF250X. But then Kawasaki came out with that KLX 300, and that thing's caught my eye because it's branded as a trail bike, but it's better than this, and it's better than like the CRF230F or the 250F. So what I would hope is that there would be more aftermarket support for it, but you never know. You never know. But at the same time, I want something dual sport so I can just ride it wherever I want. And then there's always the Beta 390, but I don't want to drop 10 grand. I really don't. So what do you guys think? Give me some suggestions. What you think we should either do with the 230 or perhaps replace the 230 with. Because I know I'm probably forgetting some viable options. But let me know. Right now I'm just trying to focus on making sure the engine doesn't die. I'd wanted to plate this at one point in time, but the more and more I've been hearing about the plating process, the more and more I figured I'd just leave it the way it is. Unless I move to Arizona or something. That'd be better. Oh, we're picking up some speed. Not bad. Not great, not bad. Back to the car, back to the car. Limping back to the car. Yeah. Look at this guy in his working motorcycle. Rubbing in my face. This is good slow speed training. Come on. Come on, TTR. I see the road. We just might make it. Yeah, man. Like I said, it's gonna be a freaking miracle if we make it. We're awfully close though. And it's all downhill from here. And it's all downhill. Okay, not yet. Not yet. Oh my god. You know what this feels like? It feels like riding like an Autopia car. It's always like backfiring and popping. And then you step on the gas and it doesn't go anywhere. That's exactly what this feels like right now. Alright, we're cruising. We got like 10 minutes left. Can we make it? Alright. It's mostly downhill from here. Now I can sing it. And it's all downhill from here. A little bit of newfound glory action for you guys. Man, this is the fastest I've gone in a while. Are you going in neutral? So 450X will beat the TTR. Turned off. That's funny. Oh, we're gonna make it, guys. There it is, the 15. We just gotta go under the bridges. I see the bridge. Or under the tunnels. Under the tunnels and to the bridge. To grandmother's house we go. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Alright, guys, real quick. The battery died, but we made it. Back at the staging area. Whoop, whoop. Alright, battery's gonna die again till next time. Woo! Have fun, take care, and ride safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Oh. We made it! Oh, shit.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe to see more adventures just like this one. For information about my riding gear or the various ways you can help support the channel, please check out the links below or head over to www.eachadventure.com. I'll see you in the next one.